Hello viewers, welcome to Unified Force. As explained in the previous section, Sky Yoga is a simplified Kundalini yogic system. The traditional Patanjali yogic system is hard to practice with plenty of rules and regulations. Also, it needs a long duration of our life to complete the course and for our progress. Especially for women, the traditional yogic practices were not easy to follow. Hence, our Guru Vetantri Maharishi spent more than 50 years of his lifetime in doing research and development of the traditional yogic systems and created the Sky Yoga. In 1958, the World Community Service Centers, a non-profit society, was founded, and through this community model, the Temple of Consciousness and Learning Centers were established. Now this community has 2,500 centers in more than 20 countries. Close to 5 lakh students have learned this system of yoga. The course contents are also part of the syllabus in Tamil Nadu universities, and this course varies from bachelor's degree to Doctor of Philosophy. Once we learn this system of yoga, we can start practicing in our homes at convenience, and we can visit the Temple of Consciousness or World Community Service Centers regularly to get the guidance of Sky Masters and for other regular activities like group meditation, seminars, etc. These exercises will take an average of 40 minutes, and it is recommended that we should do meditation for 2 times in a day. So approximately we will need 1.5 hours of our day to complete all the practices, including the Kayakalpa Yoga. In our busy life schedule, Sky Yoga system is easy to follow for a sound health, peaceful mind, and to perform at our best on our personal and professional life. In the next section, we are going to see about the prerequisites to enter the Sky Yogic system. To get the updates as soon as we upload our videos, please subscribe. Should you have any questions, kindly write to us in the comment section. Be blessed by the Divine.